Hello guys, welcome back to the new DirtBike Lunatic video. Today we're back with all new epic Moto episode. And in this one we got some angry people, some kind videos, police clips and much more. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Sit back and enjoy. Let's start.
Oh yeah, dude, look at that thing. This thing's slammed. Smoking them out. Oh yeah. Woo!
This biker recorded the fast riding on a highway. He did a trip that usually takes 25 minutes and he did it in 8 minutes. Check it out.
Hey! In person here, dude! God.
So these bikers were parking their bikes on this gas station, and as they were doing it, apparently one of the bikers' side bags touched this Hyundai. And guys from that car wasn't so happy about it. And guys, you're going to hear a lot of these. So don't hate me.
Step away from the car, mate. Your bag's hitting it.
Alright, just back up. It's called personal space and respect. Have you got it?
Yeah. Moron.
Couple of years. And your mum's gonna hop in the car too, so I appreciate
That's
it.
gonna open the door,
Sort out
What's with your look, mate?
What's with this shit, man?
Look, just look at your park, then you're pushing your bag on me car, mate. That's what's with it. You rude.
Get some respect.
You're itching for something, aren't you?
Hey, mate, don't touch my car. I'll start touching your bike.
Exactly, though.
Alright, you
Mum's supposed to get in the car. So you gotta move the car.
Oh, you're a wit, mate. You wit. Don't touch the car with your bag. You're lucky you got a arm, mate. You get punched in the head.
That
Little wit. You wit. You want to do something, mate?
seriously,
Oh, man, you're the one
Shut
doing
Yeah,
the
then
fuck
don't
up.
touch people's cars, you rude cunt.
No.
Get some manners, cunt. Off before I make
You're
it.
lucky you don't get your head punched in. Seriously. You fat.
What was that? What was that?
Do something.
What was that?
You wanna do something?
Yeah, you
Back in the car. Or what?
Hey, Jack, is all this. Or what?
You wanna go, cunt?
What are you doing?
Or what?
Tell me to get in the car, cunt.
Yeah,
you
you
wanna
What's your little mouth?
You're
Wit?
lucky I gotta be somebody. You
Gotta be something.
Yeah, keep your bike away and don't touch the car, cunt, or you'll get it.
You wanna go? Seriously?
Get it,
Do
mate.
something. You think you're big.
What'd you say? Oh, this.
Get back in the car.
What'd you say?
Touch him.
I didn't say nothing.
Yeah, I hope not, mate. Now off and don't touch our car again. Got it, you little bitch.
Shit and heard it.
Don't touch the car again or you'll get decked.
Point your finger at me,
Oh, you dude!
Do something.
Huh? What are you gonna do? Huh?
You're just a
What are you
kid.
gonna do?
Whatever.
Huh? I'll knock you clean out.
Do something.
You
Touch
little
it. See what happens.
Win-win for me, mate.
Oh yeah. Oh, alright.
You get your kicked by me, or you kick my.
You'll get your ass kicked, mate.
What happened then? You
Do
beat up
something.
the disabled
Mate,
guy.
do
Yeah, then
somewhere.
off you little with
Get
cunt.
back in the car!
Make me.
Ah,
Come on, make me, you little
Punch your head in,
Yeah, you with. You little dead.
Is this fun for you, man? This is how you get your jollies.
Hey, you rude touch my car again, I'll touch your bike.
You almost hit the car when you rock up.
You
cunt.
dog.
Mum has trouble getting in the car and you're touching the car with your bag. We can hear it and see it.
Scratching our car, you little cunt.
Idiot cunt.
Head. You come out your mother's. You come out your mother's. It's good to see you got no arm too, you piece of shit. You deserve it.
I know.
You deserve it, you piece of shit.
Guys, what would you do in this situation? I think that these bikers handled this in a very good way. These guys were just pushing buttons to start the fight. But bikers controlled their behavior and ignored the tags. And in update that one of the bikers wrote, there is an upcoming legal proceeding. So I hope they get what they deserve.
You got really close to me. You got really close to me. That's very dangerous. You know, when the bike starts off slow, it moves. It moves a little bit. It doesn't matter. The point is, I'm in my lane, and you came close as to me. And you need to watch the out because I'm vulnerable as
This biker came across on these turkeys on the road. He tried to mess with them a bit, but male turkey kept attacking him. Check it out.
Right there. Gobble, gobble, gobble. These motherfuckers like they'll f me up. Oh, let's go. You want to race? Let's go, bro. I'm so glad I'm on this thing. Come on. There's wild turkeys out here. They want to f me up. They must have something nearby. Oh, they're ready to get at it. I don't know why this is so funny. They're clearly not scared of me, so I don't feel bad. Okay, I stop. You stop? What are we doing here? Gobble, gobble, gobble. Ah! Okay, see you later. I'll go back in the woods where y'all belong. Don't get hit by a car. I've never actually seen these guys in the wild.
This lady on a bike said that car in front got cut off. The driver slammed his brake and stopped. And unfortunately she panicked and pulled her front brake hard, causing her bike to slide under. Luckily, this lady recovered from her injuries, and she's back on the bike again.
No, I just need to get up.
Okay. Okay.
I do not want to go to the hospital. I just want to make sure my bike's okay.
Any pain in your neck right here?
No.
Okay. Okay.
He's getting up.
Let's go over here in the shade.
I want to get my bike up.
Okay. Let the medics do that, okay?
I just don't want the gas to leak out of it.
What's that?
I don't want the gas to leak out of it. It needs to get up.
All right, they're getting it up.
Please.
Okay. Just sit you on the curb.
Let me make sure that's going to ride.
All right, let's go over here in the shade.
My car just slammed on its brakes and I couldn't stop.
What kind of car was it?
I don't know. They were stopping for a car to turn in here, I think.
We're gonna go right over here.
Just want to make sure that looks... my taillight's broken.
Let's sit you down on the curb.
Hi, I was wondering if I could just pay for the person behind me.
You want to pay for the person behind you?
Yeah. So I could just pull up and then you can let me know at the window what the payment is.
Okay.
Alrighty.
I appreciate you, bro.
Not a problem, man. Have a great day.
Pay it forward, but I'll pay the guy behind me.
Dang right, man. Thank you.
I appreciate it, man. Take care.
Oh, that's what I like to hear. Yep. Did she forget her credit card?
Yeah, she forgot.
She's right there. I'll go let her know. She's just filling up with gas. You forgot your credit card. You're very welcome. You're very welcome.
Somebody's coming behind you.
Yeah, she forgot her credit card.
Oh, okay. Thanks a lot.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yep. Hope you have a great day, man. $10 gift card, and I'm gonna pay for him.
Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome. Hope you have a great day.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
You're very welcome. I ain't got no cash for you, but here's a gift card. You can go get yourself something. There's 10 bucks on it.
Thank you.
Not a problem, man.
God bless.
You're very welcome.
Superstar.
Yeah, hey, Iron Man.
Yeah.
All right, well, moment of truth.
This biker tried to make a breakfast on a hot exhaust, and his channel name is More Bad Ideas. Check it out.
All right. I'm an idiot. And no, my egg! Damn it! my freaking egg! It was gonna cook. Did we cook the egg shell? It was gonna cook. You can see it cooking. All right, let's try this again, but let's put this thing here in the way. This is harder than I thought because it's round. Oh, don't do it, don't do it. There it is, cooked egg. Voila, chef's masterpiece. There it is. Smells like breakfast. Well, I tried to eat it, but it was still a little raw, so you know, I don't want to die. Well, at least from salmonella poisoning. But yeah, you technically could cook an egg, as you can see right there.
And that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out DirtBike Lunatic store and get yourself some DBL merch. Until the next episode, guys, ride safe.